Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2014 Ford Fiesta Zetec. This car comes with the brilliant 1.25 petrol engine and the manual gearbox, which is Ulez compliant, returning up to 54 miles to the gallon. Road tax is just £35 a year, so really low running costs, and the mileage is just over 42,000 miles, and the car comes with full service history. This particular colour is called Deep Impact Blue and looks in really good condition for the age and mileage of the car. As you have a look inside, as you can see, you've got a nice clean interior there. The front passengers have a couple of cup holders there in the middle, as well as the 12-volt socket and the USB port. Onto the dashboard, you have your FM radio, as well as CD player and Bluetooth for your phone, as well as air conditioning and Ford brilliant quick clear windscreen, so ideal for the winter mornings. Being the 5-door version, nice and practical, so good access there, access there into the back. Lots of legroom and headroom for rear passengers, and the rear bench has 3 individual seat belts, and also the rear passengers have the cup holder there in the middle, as well as pockets in the back of the front seats. And as we open the tailgate on the Fiesta, you have the really deep boot there, with the split folding rear seats and the parcel shelf that's still in place. And then underneath the boot floor, you have a spare wheel, which I believe was a factory option, so that's good to see. Externally, the car comes with front fog lights, as well as the 15-inch alloy wheels. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind, and you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we'll offer finance with just 10.9%. So, if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, please give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.